Max Scholars, it is Wednesday, May 20th, and we're going to hop right in. One of my favorites is always talking about food questions. It's always my favorite thing to talk about because I can find these delicious pictures, and this one is about pies. I don't know which one is your favorite. Mine is pecan, just putting that out there. And this one is about Miss Fraser. I know a lot of you know her. She's in the office downstairs. She's awesome, and she comes and visits us in our classroom sometimes. And today we're going to talk about Miss Fraser. She ordered 7 pies for a school event. Each pie was cut into 5 slices. How many slices of pies are there? That's our question for today. So we're going to quickly jump into our retelling. Make sure that you are telling the story the correct way, and then and if you need to look at that right now, you can. And in about 2 seconds, we're going to cover that up so you can do your retelling. Are you ready? All right, here we go. You're going to pause and retell the story. Awesome. We're going to keep going. So this is going to be our CGI sheet number 37. Make sure you have that out because we're about to do our boxing, circling, and underlining. So, Miss Fraser ordered 7 pies for a school event. Each pie was cut into 5 slices. How many slices of pies are there? You're going to pause right now and reread the problem to me. Awesome. Now, we're going to go right into cubes. First thing we're circling is our key numbers and our units. Looking at our first sentence right here, I already bumped right into a number and a unit, 7 pies. Now, if we're going to keep going, each pie was cut into, right there, 5 slices. Really big deal right here because you have pies and then you're going into slices. You need to really think about the other problems that we've done that look like that. Now, underline the question. How many slices of pies are there? So they're looking for how many slices, not how many pies. So you can't just simply say, oh, there are 7 pies, or there are 5 pies, or 5 slices. They want to know if you have 7 pies and you have 5 slices in that 7 pies, how many do you need? How many do you have? How many people can get a slice? What are they asking you to do? So each. If you have each pie, which means you have 7 pies, if each one of those pies was cut into 5 slices, how are you going to show us that? Make sure you're thinking of the pies that you just saw in that first part of the video, like right here. Right now you can only see 6, but you can kind of see a little sliver of a 7th right there. So if you had 7 of these and you have to cut each of them into 5 slices, how many people can get a pie? How many slices do you have? So that's kind of what they're asking you for. So now that you're more on the lesson question, right before we hop into our work. Are there going to be more or less than 7 slices of pie? What do you think? I really want you to pause and tell me, what do you think? Do you think there's going to be more or less? All right, now we're going to hop right into our work because we've already discussed it and evaluated right beforehand. So make sure, again, you're on the correct problem. You've done your circling, underlining, and boxing. Make sure this entire page is filled out before you watch my video. And this part you can do after my video, and that is absolutely fine. But remember, all work is being graded, and I do need these back. So make sure you're doing your work. All right, I'll see you in a little bit.
So for this one, we want to look at that Miss Fraser ordered 7 pies. And each pie was cut into 5 slices. So we're going to cut this into 5 slices. And now we want to know how many slices we have. So how are we going to figure that out? We want to draw, which is our first way, a drawing method. So let's actually draw our 7 pies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, my pies are not even, but that's fine. So now how are you going to cut that into 5? It's a little bit difficult. You're going to try to do it the best you can. So I'm going to try to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not going to be a straight arrow down and across because that only makes 4 pieces. So I'm going to just try my best to make 5 pieces because we're just going to say that they're even. They might not be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Alright, so now that I have 5 pieces in each, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35. And that was our first way, but now I'm thinking that that was kind of taking a little bit of a long time. So instead of doing that for my second method, I would just draw my 7 circles. And instead of doing all those cuttings, I'm just going to write 5 in each. And then from here, I'm just going to add. That's 10. That's 15. That's 20. That's 25. That's 30. Oh, that's 35. But then, for my third way, I'm also thinking that there has to be an easier way than that. So, for my third way, what I would do is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, draw my quick pies, draw my number of pieces in each, and I would do it as doubles. Because it's so much easier to add. And if you add these two together, you get 35. Awesome.
Alright, awesome. I really hope you like my quicker one video of explanations. I think they are clearly showing what's going on. And I especially liked this one because when I'm showing you this, it's so much easier to show you like that, going, hey, first method wasn't the smartest. Second method, a little bit smarter, but my third method is definitely my smartest and my easiest method. And I really hope that you find your easiest method. Alright, great job again today, and I will see you tomorrow.